How to hide tagged photos on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now, if you want to hide the tagged posts on Instagram, you first want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then from here, tap on the search bar and search for tag. Now you want to tap on Tags and Mentions option. This menu is going to open up. As you can see, you have set to allow tags from everyone. So everyone might tag you and sometimes you might not like the photos that you are tagged in. Now in order to hide it, you want to tap on the option of Review Tags. Then here you have two options, Tagged and Pending Tags. You want to tap on the first one. Here you can find all the photos in which you have been tagged. Tap on the option of select. Now tap on the circle option to select the photo. Here at the bottom you have two options, hide and remove. If you completely want to remove the tag, tap on the remove option. However, if you only want to hide it from the public view, you want to tap on the hide option. Now tap on the hide option to confirm it. Now as you can see, your tagged photo has been successfully hidden. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.